Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just fascinating, but also incredibly empowering unlocking your potential. We're going to explore Jim Kwik's book, Limitless. You know, it's been praised by some pretty influential figures. I mean, Will Smith himself said that Kwik knows how to maximize human potential. Can you imagine that? Will Smith, the Fresh Prince, talking about maximizing potential.
Wow, that's really cool. I mean, Will Smith is like a huge deal. But what exactly does that mean, maximizing human potential? Is it like becoming a superhero or something?
Laughs, well, not quite superheroes, but it's about tapping into the abilities we all have. Kwik emphasizes that learning how to learn is a superpower in itself. Eric Schoenberg described it as a way to achieve personal amazement. Think about Edith, you can learn effectively. You can do anything.
Oh, wow. So it's like if I learn how to learn, I could like master anything, like juggling flaming torches or something.
Exactly. It's about breaking down those barriers we put up in our minds. Kwik shares his personal journey, which is quite inspiring. He struggled with learning disabilities as a child, but he turned that around and became a brain coach to the stars.
Wait, hold on. A brain coach? Like a personal trainer, but for your brain? That's wild. How does that even work?
Chuckles, yes, exactly. Think of it like this. Just as you would train your body to be fit, you can train your brain to be sharper. Kwik provides practical techniques for memory improvement and speed reading. For instance, he talks about how our brains are like muscles. If you don't use them, they can weaken.
Oh, that's interesting. So, like if I don't read or challenge my brain, it's like letting my biceps go flabby.
Precisely. And it's not just about reading. It's about engaging your mind in various ways. You know, Scott Flansburgh, the human calculator, appreciates Kwik's methods for speed reading. Imagine being able to read a book in a fraction of the time.
Whoa, that's mind-blowing. I mean, I struggle to finish a book in a month. How does he teach that?
He breaks it down into simple steps. For example, he encourages readers to focus on comprehension rather than just speed. It's about training your brain to absorb information efficiently. And you know, BJ Fogg praises Kwik's step-by-step guidance for unlocking potential.
Step-by-step sounds manageable. But what if I like forget everything I read? Is there a secret sauce for remembering stuff?
Great question! Kwik emphasizes the importance of memory techniques. He shares strategies like visualization and association. For instance, if you want to remember a list of items, you could create a vivid story that links them together. It's like turning your grocery list into an adventure.
Oh, that's clever. So I could like imagine a giant loaf of bread fighting a carton of milk. That sounds fun.
Exactly. And it makes the information stick. Kwik's approach is all about making learning enjoyable. He believes that the mind is a wealth-building asset, as Nicole Lapin puts it. When you invest in your brain, you're setting yourself up for success.
Wow, I never thought of my brain as an asset. So how do I start investing in it?
Well, Kwik suggests starting with small, actionable steps. For example, you could dedicate just 10 minutes a day to learning something new. It could be a language, a skill, or even a hobby. The key is consistency.
10 minutes sounds doable. But what if I get distracted? I mean, there are so many things vying for my attention, like TikTok and cat videos.
Laughs, the distractions of modern life. Gerard Butler calls Limitless a must-read for overcoming distractions and negative thinking. Kwik teaches techniques to minimize distractions, like setting specific times for focused learning.
Oh, that's smart. So like I could schedule my brain workouts just like I scheduled gym time?
And it's all about creating a routine that works for you. You know, Tom Bilyeu admires Kwik's ability to unlock hidden potential. It's about discovering what you're truly capable of when you put your mind to it.
Wow, I'm feeling inspired. So if I really commit to this, I could like unlock my hidden genius or something?
Absolutely. And remember, it's not just about learning, it's about transforming your mindset. Jack Canfield emphasizes the importance of mindset for transformation. When you believe in your potential, you can achieve incredible things.
That's powerful. So it's like believing I can fly before I even try to jump off a trampoline.
Laughs, exactly. It's about having that faith in yourself. And as you start to see progress, it reinforces that belief. It's a beautiful cycle of growth.
Wow, I can't wait to dive into Limitlesses. It sounds like it could really change my life.
It absolutely can. And remember, it's all about taking those first steps. You've got this.
Yay, I'm ready to unlock my potential. Let's do this.